Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful balm twist that I have here, and it is, oh my god, my hair looks so lush. And it's your girl Amazon E here, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you're savvy, here's to savvy girls, okay? So please do also subscribe, like this video, and then hit the notification bell so you get notified when I bring up new content. Let's get straight into the video. So I've had this 3-strand twist locked into my hair for like over 5 days now. I think I had it since like Tuesday. So I'm going to take it down already and see if I'm going to have a failed twist out or I'm going to have a squash. And if it is a fail, how do I switch things up a little bit? Okay, so every morning what I did was I tend to moisturize my hair with water and shea butter all the time. And if you can see, Adan Idet shea butter is bringing out my baby hair, and my front edges are getting back on track. So I recommend that you guys get that ASAP. So let's get straight down to my video. I still a couple left, and I'm wondering how many of this did I install into my hair, because this is like a lot of job for me. God. Okay, so I'm done taking this down, but I think that here's the problem. Okay, my hair is still wet, and that's because last night the weather got so hot at the point before the rain started to fall, and I had to, you know, wet my hair with water because I felt like my hair was getting all stiff and stuff, and then it was getting really difficult, and the weather was so hot, and I needed to calm my nerves. Okay, so I put water in my hair and applied my my chebe butter. But then, come on, my hair is not even dried because it's still morning. So if it doesn't come out so well, I wouldn't mind. But look at how defined my curl patterns are, and my hair is so shiny. You guys can see that already. I literally didn't even need the oil, but come on, this is it's been here for a while. Okay, so that's what that hair looks like right now. I just get to styling it. What do you guys think? Okay, guys, so I have my picking comb here, and I don't think if I want to pick this out because, you know, my hair is still wet, but I'm going to try.